Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm gonna install my Top1 side splitters. I recently picked up a couple days ago. I got it from one of my buddies, but I guess I kind of came up on these. These go for like $225 retail online, but I picked it up for $60. But yeah, basically this whole video I'm gonna just install it to my RSX. Nothing on you show. Update you guys. I actually got myself a new banner too. Ooh, fast splitter. Called Just for Fun. I actually bought another first one, but I messed it up, right, Matthew?
Yeah.
But yeah, I finally got it right this time. But yeah, hopefully it pairs nice with the Top1 side splitters and everything, and the front splitters. But yeah, let me get to installing and see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, I'm officially done drilling the gaskets all together. All I gotta do now is just put them back on and yeah, it should look nice. Right, Matthew?
Yeah.
Alright y'all, finally done. I adjusted the passenger side. It matches the other side now too, so yeah, I finally like made it better because I was really OCD about it too, so yeah. Shout out to Matthew for holding the side skirt and stuff.
Yo, what's up?
Yup. But yeah, I don't know. We might go shoot some cinematics for the car. I'm not sure where, but I might just shoot it right here in front of my driveway because I don't really want to waste gas. But yeah. Alright guys, the RSX is finally out. Damn, looks clean, bro. Let's aggressive right now too. The background, you know, the vibes. Caught you lagging, bro. Yeah, dude, coming together. Especially with the Just for Fun banner too. Keep it out. Damn, clean. Well, I guess I'm gonna do some cinematics. I'm gonna try my best to get it perfect anyway, but yeah, cue the cinematics. Alright guys, that's it for the cinematics. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I did kind of struggle filming on Matthew.
Yeah.
But yeah, this car is coming along like I always say in every video I do. But it sure is. The banner looks dope. And yeah, I will give you guys like a point of view driving, but it's quarantine. I don't really want to go out that much anymore too. So, but I hope you guys did enjoy the video. The new Top1 splitters do look better. So, see you guys next one. Tap the camera, bro. Tap the camera.
Peace.